another point of contention, to our separated brethren, parang ayaw nilang tanggapin na original sin is transmitted to us na wala namang kinalaman doon. Ang contention nila, it should be a personal sin and no more. Pero malinaw, na nung nagkasala si Adan at si Eva, it was a personal sin on one hand, and yet at the same time, because they are our first parents, they represented mankind. Kasalanan ng buong sangkatauhan, yung kauna-unahang pagkakasala na yon. For that reason, the church encourages ang infant baptism. Walang personal sin ng mga sanggol, obviously. But that original sin was transmitted and is being kept on being transmitted sa lahat ng mga ordinaryong nilalang tulad natin.